Hi, this is Arnachalam. Today let us analyze the stock DLF Limited. This is a stock from realty sector. The stock has potential to give a fantastic return to its investor. So next target is around 438. So the stock is very good to go long, and now the stock gave a breakout from a long-term downtrend. So after a good downtrend, the stock is now ready to give good returns. So now let's move to the technical part. The stock on listing was at the price range of 510 and raised to the price range of 1000. It just doubled within 4 months, and the stock fell drastically to the price range of 150 from 1000. It's almost a 85% negative return. So it's a bad stock that destroyed the wealth of investors. And the stock after hitting 158 made a dead cat bounce here, went to the price range of 420. It's not even the listing price, and the stock started its downtrend journey. And the stock till the May 2016 was at the price range of 100, and the stock somehow bottomed there. Then it started moving higher, so it's a good IRI formation, and somehow it came to the price range of 130 in COVID fall. So after COVID fall, the stock was on the same range for more than 8 months, and then the stock started rallying, and now it broke a major resistance level. So it took a resistance as a support here. So now it's good to go long in the stock, and one can expect the price range of 435 as the target in the stock, and the stock is trading around 330. It's a good return on investment if you invest in this. So now let's move to the weekly chart. Before moving to the weekly chart, join us on Telegram using the link given below in the description. In the Telegram group, you can ask your doubts regarding share market, and also you can suggest us some stocks to be analyzed on our style. So make use of it. So in the weekly chart, the stock looks bullish. Let me clear all this first. So the stock gave a breakout from this range, and now the stock is trading above the previous high. So it's good to go long in the stock right now. The stock is very good. The next resistance is around 400 price range only. So one can get almost a 20% upside from this stock. So the stock is very good right now because look at the resistance here. So after the resistance, the stocks saw a steep downfall, but now this time it gave a breakout from the same range and took a retracement on smaller time frames also. So after a retracement, the stock somehow made a move till 316 and took a retracement once again. So it's a good retracement, and now after the retracement, the stock started moving higher. So look at the volumes at retracement. The volumes are very low, good indication of start of good rally. So it's a good stock to go long, and the stock also now gave a breakout from the previous 52-week high. So it's a good time to enter the stock, and the entire sector is bullish because the sectoral index gave a breakout from a range. So it's good to go long in the stock. We can expect the stock to move after a good S type of retracement, or the stock may also rally without a S type of retracement. Anything may happen, but it's good to go long in the stock, and one can place 400 as a target, which is almost 20%. We can expect this target within 2 months. It's a short term trade, so the stock is good on weekly basis. So now let's move to the daily chart. So it's good in daily chart also because look at the retracements. It's a good retracement. Let me use the Fibonacci retracement tool to analyze the retracement points. The stock just took a retracement here. The retracement volumes are very low, and the momentum candles on the real trend is huge and with a good volume. So it's good to go along in the stock. And look at the candle on the breakout. So it's a good candle to be considered, and the volume is also more than average. So it's a good candle with a good volume, and that too with a less sellers. So good breakout candle. So one can expect a good rally in the stock, and one can even expect a good S type of retracement here because the sellers are quite dominating. But it's not a golden rule. One can take entry at current market price and can expect the price range of 400 as the target for the stock. So 400 is almost a 21% upside. You can take it as 20% upside. So it's a good stock to go long right now, and the sector gave a breakout, so there is less risk in going long in the stock. So the Fibonacci extension also shows the target around 410. So 410 can also be taken as the target, so that you will get a 25% upside in the stock. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching our videos.